So earlier today when I was getting my primal workout in, I was playing around with this combination that I want to share with you right now because I really enjoyed it. I'm putting together just a couple of basic movements and yeah, I want to share it with you and see what you think. If you like it, if you find it difficult, if you find it easy, let me know down in the comments below. Hit the thumbs up if you are enjoying the Move Now Primal series. And if you're new to Back to Primal, hit the subscribe button. I'd appreciate it. You might appreciate it if you enjoy working out with me. All right, so what we're gonna do is we're gonna begin with this Cossack squat right here. And we're just gonna come on down. Just come as low as you can. And it's okay if this foot side, if the toes point up, if you prefer having a flat foot. And even this heel that you're squatting on, if it's on the ground, great. If your heel comes up, that's fine too. All right, these are just goals that we can work on, getting the heel down and changing the position of this foot. So even if you Cossack squat and you're down about here, that's fine. You can still work this out. You're gonna place your hands on the ground after you do your Cossack, and then we're gonna kind of do this back sweep right here into our squat, and then we're gonna monkey. Just do a monkey crawl right there, stand up, and then we're gonna squat down on the other side, get a little back sweep there into our monkey or ape. Boom, and right there, and stand up. So Cossack squat, back sweep, and monkey. Stand up. Cossack, back sweep, and monkey. Stand up. And we're just gonna repeat this right here. And just go back and forth. I like going for at least a minute or two when I work these movements of the day. That's when you really start to feel that burn, that workout in the legs. Whew, just doing that for about a minute or so, and you already start feeling the legs getting on fire there. Look, I'm in my early 40s, 41 years old, and I think one of the most important things is that we're doing exercises like this to maintain and keep pushing that strengthening in our legs. As we age, we start to lose muscle tone and strength faster and faster and faster as we age, especially in the legs. It is my belief that to maintain quality of life as we're getting older, you got to keep your legs not only strong, and don't just keep your body strong, but you got to keep it mobile. You got to keep it moving and be able to move in all the different planes of motion that are natural to the human body. If you do that, then I think you and I are on our journey to good quality living for the rest of our days. What do you think? Do you share the same idea? Do you have a different idea? Let me know down in the comments. Did you enjoy this routine? If you did, hit the thumbs up. And again, make sure you're subscribed to Back to Primal because I try to get a new movement, new video out to you guys every single week. Alrighty. I'm gonna get back to it. Catch you back here next time.